everyone. On this pleasant day, I, Miss Carrie Paul, welcome you all to the Children's Day program in our school. Students, do you know why today is so special to all of us? It's because today is your day. Yes, you're right. Today is Children's Day, and this day is dedicated specially to all of you. We have a special message from our dear principal, Dr. Dilip Rai Chaudhary, for you all. Let's listen.
Good morning, children. Today is very wonderful day indeed. Today is Children's Day. It's your day, and to make it special, I carry greeting from our Honorable Chairman Sir, Honorable SO Sir, and I also carry greetings from all of us in the school. APS Bagrakot has the proud privilege and joy of putting up a special program for you today. This year, we are celebrating Children's Day virtually. But there is no problem. We are going to make physical in the school also. Children, you are the treasure of the institution, most precious member of the school. With joy and the energy, you make God present here. Unfortunately, this year's also pandemic has disrupted everything. School stands for long without your presence. You are not able to meet each other, love with one another, see each other face and shake hands with each other. The pandemic has deeply infected our emotional bonding, has hurt our relationships, and disrupt our social life also. Virtual relationship is the norms today, and it has affected our human growth. Still, we must look up for great positivity and hope. Nothing ever lasts forever, everything will pass. So will this pandemic too. But until it does, we must learn to cope up with it and make the most of the situation to get the better opportunity. Today, you all see your moment and celebrate as child. Enjoy the pleasure of childhood. Enjoy the freedom. Enjoy the thrills. Have a joyous Children's Day. May you all be blessed with success and all your endeavors. Children, you are going to see how talented your teachers are. They not just good at teaching, but they are very talented. That you are to see their performances. We want this stage to be extra special and marvelous, for that you can remember it forever. So we are going to start the program, and we want to wish all of you once again a very happy Children's Day. Take care all of you and keep smiling always. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, sir, for presenting your thoughts with the students and parents. Children, there are no words to describe how special you are. Every day with the morning assembly, you all give us positive vibes and inspiration. Today, we teachers will be presenting a special assembly specially for you all. Roshni ma'am will present today's morning prayer.
Good morning to all my dear students. On this special occasion of Children's Day, here is a special prayer for you. Dear God, we ask you to bless all the children of the world today. Give them strength, courage, and hope to live their dreams and make this world a better, brighter, and colorful place to live. Thank you.
We now have Arnab sir with the thought for the day.
Hello students, so today's thought of the day is, every child is a different kind of flower and they are beautiful in their way. Happy Children's Day to all my dear children.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful thought. And now we have Shadabri ma'am with the words for today.
Good morning everyone. Wish all of you a very happy Children's Day. So as we celebrate Children's Day today, so today's words are related with Children's Day only. The first word is enthusiasm, meaning eagerness. Example, the children showed their enthusiasm in relay race. The second word is innocence, meaning simplicity or purity that all of you are having. Children's Day gives us the message of adoration towards the innocence present in a child. Thank you. Have a blissful day. Stay blessed. Stay happy.
Aruna ma'am will be enlightening us with some hilarious news for today.
सुप्रभात। आज की ताज़ा खबर। पहला, आज भालू ने कद्दू पर निकाला गुस्सा। दूसरा, सार्वजनिक शौचालयों में कलाकारी करने वाले कलाकारों को मिलेगा नौकरी का नया अवसर। देश के कई लोगों ने जताई खुशी। तीसरा, बुरी नज़र से बचने वालों के लिए इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर पर लटकाया जाएगा नींबू और मिर्ची। चौथा, चिप्स और वेफर्स की कंपनियां अब से पैकेट में भरेगी अतिरिक्त हवा ताकि लोगों को मिल सके मुफ्त हवा। धन्यवाद और आपका दिन ज्ञान से भरपूर रहे।
Students, you know why today is important, right? So let's hear the importance of today by Saurabh sir.
Good morning everyone. Today's importance of the day is 14 November. It's Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November in India and is also known as Bal Divas. This day increases awareness in people about the rights, care and education of children. Children are the future of the country. This day commemorates the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Happy Children's Day to all my beloved children. Enjoy your day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. And now, our dear Subhendu sir will be reciting a wonderful poem just for you all.
नमस्कार प्रिय विद्यार्थी। प्यारे बच्चों, हम सब जानते हैं कि आज 14 सितंबर पूरे भारत में बाल दिवस के रूप में हम मनाते हैं एवं हम यह भी जानते हैं कि आज स्वतंत्र भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के जन्मदिन भी है। हम यह भी जानते हैं कि पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी को बच्चे बहुत पसंद थे, जिसके कारण उनको चाचा नेहरू जी भी हम कहते हैं। बच्चों ने प्यार से उन्हें इस नाम से बुलाते हैं। तो चलिए आज इस शुभ अवसर पर उनके भावनाओं के साथ जुड़कर हम बच्चों के लिए कुछ पंक्ति सुने। आशा है कि इन पंक्तियों को सुनकर आप अवश्य ही आनंद प्राप्त करेंगे। जी बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चे गर खिले कोमल कुसुम समान, ये खिल जाए तो महके सारा हिंदुस्तान। इस मासूम सूरत में फूलों सी मुस्कान, रूठे व माने पल में करे नहीं अभिमान। मधुर तोतली बोल पे फीदा सभी की जान, इनके निश्चल भाव पे ईश्वर भी कुर्बान। बच्चे सब सच्चे लगे वो अमूल्य वरदान, जो आगे चल कर रखे देश धर्म का मान। भाग्य विधाता देश के ये भारत की शान, ये खिल जाए तो महके सारा हिंदुस्तान। धन्यवाद बच्चों।
Thank you so much, sir. And now we have something special just for you all. So hope you enjoy it. So
Hello children, so this is a song for you. Start. 1, 2, 3. आसमान नीला क्यों, पानी पीला पीला क्यों, फूल क्यों है सभी, दिल में है गर्मी क्यों, आग में है गर्मी क्यों, दो अब दो पाँच क्यों रहे, पेड़ हो गए सब क्यों, तीन है ये मौसम क्यों, चांद क्यों नहीं, दुनिया में है जंग क्यों, बरसात रंग क्यों, सरहदें हैं क्यों, हर गली तो
child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.